Okay, traders, here we go. VTP Stage 2 online, technical Tuesday coaching call 187 for the 31st of March 2026. I hope you're all well. Hope you're enjoying a good week. Hope you are keeping a close eye on markets, because as always, there's plenty going on. As always, you're very welcome here. Just remember, you are responsible for your own trading decisions. And for those of you who have done stage 2 and want to go on to stage 3, the last day of the special offer is today. Okay, it reverts to normal price tomorrow. So you can ping me, or you can see that QR code or the Bitly if you're intrigued. Dollar against yen. Well, let's go elsewhere and have a little look at that. Boom. So yeah, this is yen on the 4-hour charts. So dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen, Swiss yen, Nikkei, Kiwi yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen. So even though, if you look at that this week, bang, that is that yen strength. Even CAD this week, yen strength. Euro yen, bang, yen strength. Aussie yen, that's yen strength. Sterling yen, yen strength. Kiwi yen, yen strength. Swiss yen, yen strength. Okay. The question is, is this just a 48-hour bump that is just, the traders taking a piece of it after the comments by Ueda and Mamura at the weekend, or is this the start of a shift? Remember, as I said, the STAM is not a reversal tool. The STAM is to identify like Kiwi dollar when you've got strength, trend, and momentum. But when you're doing this repeatedly, week after week, and it just becomes your norm, you do start to see and take up and understand and realize when you're starting to see shifts occur. So you want to basically start to just take a little bit of a deeper look. Okay, when one chart does it, it's one swallow doesn't make a summer. But when you've got all of the yen charts there against all of the majors doing pretty similar, well then somebody's shifting size, aren't they? Somebody's shifting serious size. So we want to sort of build that in and be aware of that. Why don't we have a look at Aussie and sterling? Okay, because Aussie has been, but as I always said, nothing ever lasts forever. Nothing ever lasts forever. Okay, boom. I'll just put these on to, yeah. In fact, actually, the weekly chart is nice. That's what we've worked on. So, yeah. So what we have seen there is what I've been talking about is, we topped out with that double pin bar and worked our way down. We bottomed with that double pin bar, inside pin bar, and worked our way up. Okay, Aussie yen topped out with a double trouble inside bar, pin bar. Same for Euro Aussie. Okay, same for even Aussie Kiwi. Has had basically worked its way lower. There is a move a little bit higher there. Okay, but as I said, I think that's just a Kiwi thing. Aussie Canadian dollar, all right, had basically started to roll over a little bit. Aussie Swiss franc has rolled over a little bit. I wonder if we're getting a little bit of a relief trade, but we'll have to wait and see. But that Aussie being at the top of the pile, I think that's kind of, that's coming to an end. Okay, and maybe we start to see, in the same way we saw the US dollar work its way up to the top of the pile, we see yen work its way up to the top of the pile, and we see others fall away.